Guys, welcome back. We are currently doing a Ring doorbell oak mount. So I've got this bit of oak. It's about 25mm thick. Already sanded the one side roughly, and now let's get this bit sanded. I have currently bought off Amazon the 3M Extract Clean Sanding Solutions. These are brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Before I was using these from Screwfix. The trouble is with them is you have to line the holes with the actual holes on here. So with that, and then you've got to line the holes up, which can sometimes be a right ball ache. With this, nothing. It's all vented. It's got loads and loads of little holes all the way around, so you get the best dust extraction, and they are quicker, a lot quicker. This is an 80 grit, so let's get the dust bag on it and let's get sanding. Tell you what, that took no time whatsoever. Absolutely brilliant. Happy days. Right, let's make sure this is square. Right, that's square. That is square on there. So with the mount, it is currently 62mm in width. So what we want to do is add on an extra 20mm. So we've got 62mm, which is the actual unit, and then I want to add on 20mm. So if we go to 82mm, and then let's draw a straight line going down there, like so. Now what I want to do is measure down from the top, and I have got 126mm. Again, I want to add on 20mm, so 126, 136, 146. And from there, draw a line and get that cut. So now we've got that cut to size, I have got this router bit, which gives us a nice bit of detail on there, and we'll go around all the way around the edge now and give that a nice groove. And there we go. So just like that now, I've got a nice bit of detail. We give it a good sand, and as you can imagine, Ring doorbell will sit on there like so. So let's give that a good sand. Right, so that's now sanded up to 120. So what I'm going to do now, I've just got some wet tissue. I'm just going to wet it over, and what that would do is raise the grain, and it also gives you what it will look like when it's got a nice oil. And what I'm going to use is a Osmo UV protection on it. I'll let that dry, and what I'm going to use is a 180. I think for what this is, I think that's going to be enough. Another good tip, you get a pencil, just etch on there on the top, and then obviously when you there you go. That clears the pencil lines, and you know you've covered the whole surface. There we go. So what I've done is I've centered that onto there, and I just want to mark there we go, put the screws like so, and I'll get that and do some little pilot holes on there, and then we'll get, once I've got it oiled, then we can screw that on. So these are the screws that Ring doorbell supply. Now, putting that into a brick wall, I just don't think it's suitable. The wall plugs themselves, chuck them away, absolutely useless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some pilot holes where I've marked out and screw that to the timber. But behind the plate, I'm actually going to do proper fixings, and I use either red or brown plugs and a good decent quality screw into the brick wall. Like so. What I'm going to do is go with a 5.5. There we go, that was sitting there now, and it ain't going to impact the plate going on. So what I've got is some Osmo UV protection oil. It's a natural oil based, and it's this little tin, to believe it or not. Osmo is quite expensive. This is what, 125, 0.125 litre, and this cost me 15 quid. It's a clear satin, so it should keep the natural tone as much as possible of the wood. So let's get this open and give it a apply. It can take up to 12 hours, and they do recommend 2 coats, so that's what we'll do. And then once that's dry and we've done the 2 coats, we'll get it fitted on the wall. So let's give this a blast. So what I'll be using is this foam roller to apply it. So let's get this open. Like so. What you want to do is go with the grain. And then that should dry for about 12 hours, they recommend. And then we'll get another coat on, and then we'll get it screwed to the front of the house. So this is where we've decided to have it, just there. So I've marked it out already. So let's get these holes drilled. And there we go, front doorbell. Hello. Thanks for watching.